Welcome back to class. Today I'm going to be teaching you measurement of resistance using the Wheatstone bridge method. Tonya was feeling a little bit under the weather. Her mom took her to the hospital, and as part of the preliminary test, the nurse decided to take her temperature. To measure the temperature, he put the thermometer under her armpit. Like Tonya's temperature was measured with a thermometer, there is an instrument in physics that can be used to measure the value of an unknown resistance of an electric current. Do you want to know how? I'll show you. Now, in a typical Wheatstone bridge, we have 4 resistors. 3 of these resistors have known values, one of which is variable or adjustable. The value of the 4th resistor is not known. The unknown resistance can be identified by studying and manipulating the path the current takes through the Wheatstone bridge grid. Isn't that interesting? I'm sure it is. Now today, we have learned that the Wheatstone bridge is most commonly used to determine the value of an unknown resistance to an electric current. The circuit has 4 resistors. 3 of these resistors have known values, one of which is variable or adjustable. The value of the 4th resistor is not known. The unknown resistance can therefore be identified by studying and manipulating the path that the current takes through the Wheatstone bridge. This method is more accurate compared to the voltmeter-ammeter method, since voltmeter has some resistance against the flow of current and thus takes up some voltage. I'm sure you understood and enjoyed the class. I'll see you in the next one.